morning, I'm Stefania Soldini, and today I would like to talk about 3D printed origami self-folding solar sail. This is a feasibility study funded by the Connected Everything. The University of Liverpool is a leading institution. I'm the PI, and Dr. Paolo Paretti is my co-I. The leading researchers is Lisa Luisa Russo, and this is a collaboration with Oxford Space System and JAXA. So, as the title said, we are talking about solar sail. So traditionally, solar sail are thin film material, very reflective, and by reflecting the sun radiation pressure, this would cause a movement in the sail, so propulsion. Now, the idea of this project is to use this idea further, so using the change of optical property on an origami shape to obtain reconfiguration. For instance, you can think about a CubeSat that deploys a sail, and this is used for propulsion. And then, as you can see here, from different color, we change the reflectivity property of the origami and obtain, for example, an antenna shape. So trigger reconfiguration through harnessing the effect of solar radiation pressure effect. This idea comes looking into origami robotics for Earth application. And what we are exploring here is using additive manufacturing 3D printed ultimaker material for designing basically the origami itself. So we have a limit of material that we can use because of ultimaker. So for example, we couldn't use PEEK, but the idea is to design the skeleton basically of the sail where we are going to host the devices that trigger reconfigurability through optical changes. So as you can see, we studied two patterns, skeleton pattern and also the mechanical pattern. We ended up choosing this pattern because of the folding capability. And you can imagine if we extend it to, for example, this shape on the right, we can trigger, we have a central facet with solar cell for generating power and the other facet to generating reconfiguration, for instance, to have a pyramid. And that could be, for example, a shape we will use for re-entry, for instance. The PDLC device or reflective control device will be placed inside, hosted inside this triangular shape. We've used different material. For example, we try with PLA, TPU, and Mylar to find compatibility. And this is the reason for why we tried different ideas. And also we are interested in to find very light structure because solar radiation pressure is function of the area to mass ratio of the facet. So in order to trigger reconfigurability, we have to have a high area to mass ratio. So the lighter the better. We also investigated the use of 4D printing to enhance reconfigurability. You have to imagine in our reconfigurability, we at least want to reach three shapes. From a launcher fully packed and sail, we want to trigger and get a solar sail for actually propulsion. And then we can use, for example, shape memory polymers for getting to deployment, for instance, of the entire sail, and then use instead acidic devices for obtaining a final shape. So that's why we're also investigating for 4D printing, basically, as you can see in this video here. Yeah, when you put inside. Now, this is actually the basic, if you've seen the first origami, everything starts from this geometry and this simple idea. Now, I have a student that using the paper of Guest and Pellegrino 1992 has written the algorithm for obtaining this shape independently from the number of facets and edges you're using. Then we've done, and some of my students have been working on this. For instance, here on the right, you see the simulation of only one facet. So you have to imagine 2D view, the sun is on the bottom. And we want to explore the area to mass ratio that will allow this kind of reconfigurability. The idea is to have, for instance, a central bus, which is the brain of this origami shape. And the other panel, you can turn on and off this reflective control device with change optical property to harness SRP. We are doing this in collaboration with the University of Glasgow. And so we're looking to multi-body origami robotic for solar sail and reconfiguration. The study has been extending for a 2D link for instance, at Liverpool, so we have another student that is developing this analysis further, and we would like to then get a more generalized method, but given a shape, origami shape, simulating how to turn on and off. So finding the control sequence, basically. So just to conclude, where does this project come from and how we can extend it in a bigger scale? So we want to imagine a blue-inspired approach towards space exploration, which, for instance, if you think about ant colony, they work together to explore, they might coordinate to kind of solve some task, and they reconfigure themselves to in front of some challenges. So imagine that each of these ants could be, for instance, one of our a little origami sail. So basically, what we want to see at the end, our vision is having a lot of units that can be like the one we have designed so far, and other units which we can call it like Lego pieces. And this will allow, for instance, to achieve large structure in space, building space. For instance, we can have a solar sail that uses sailing for getting to a planet, then maybe reshape, I don't know, to become an antenna or some sort of mapping instrument, and maybe reshapes and becomes an active airbag. Then when it lands, each unit separate and just explore the surface. So this is a bio-inspired approach towards space exploration. This has been funded by the Connected Everything. These are the link pages for your information if you want to learn more about feasibility study and the manufacturing, digital manufacturing research innovation in the UK. I leave this page for you, but please feel free to ask me any question. And I would like to thank you for your attention. If you have any questions,